Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an essential topic on the table that concerns the well-being of our kidneys. If you've ever wondered about effective ways to reduce creatinine levels and enhance your kidney function, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be exploring the power of nutrition with a focus on 5 superfoods to reduce creatinine fast and improve kidney function. Our kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste and maintaining balance within our bodies. Elevated creatinine levels can be an early indicator of potential kidney issues. But fear not, nature has provided us with an arsenal of superfoods that can aid in reducing creatinine and supporting overall kidney health. Leafy greens into one's diet to reduce creatinine levels and enhance kidney function. Leafy greens such as spinach and kale are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that contribute to overall health. We'll explain how these nutrient-dense foods can positively impact kidney function by promoting a healthy balance of electrolytes and supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. Viewers will gain insights into the specific nutritional components of leafy greens that play a crucial role in kidney health, such as potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Additionally, we'll provide practical tips on how to integrate leafy greens into daily meals and offer creative recipe ideas to make the incorporation of these superfoods both enjoyable and accessible. By focusing on leafy greens as the first superfood, the video aims to establish a solid foundation for viewers, emphasizing the importance of dietary choices in managing creatinine levels. This section will set the tone for the subsequent exploration of other superfoods, creating a comprehensive guide for those seeking practical and evidence-based strategies to support their kidney health journey. Fish as a superfood in reducing creatinine levels and supporting kidney function. Fish, particularly varieties rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and mackerel, will be highlighted for their potential to promote heart health and reduce inflammation, factors that are closely linked to kidney well-being. The video will delve into the specific benefits of omega-3 fatty acids, emphasizing their anti-inflammatory properties and their positive impact on maintaining healthy blood vessels, which in turn can benefit renal function. Practical advice on selecting and preparing fish varieties will be provided, catering to viewers seeking to incorporate these superfoods into their diets. This section aims to showcase fish as a flavorful and nutritious addition to meals while underlining its potential to contribute to kidney health. By offering diverse options and cooking methods, the video will make it easier for viewers to adopt fish into their dietary routines, promoting a holistic approach to supporting kidney function through conscious food choices. Garlic. Powerful properties of garlic and its potential to reduce creatinine levels while benefiting kidney function. Garlic, known for its distinct flavor and medicinal properties, contains active compounds such as allicin that have been associated with various health benefits. Garlic may positively influence kidney health, emphasizing its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Potential of garlic to support blood vessel health and regulate blood pressure, factors that are crucial for maintaining optimal kidney function. Practical tips will be shared on creative ways to incorporate garlic into everyday meals, ensuring that viewers can easily integrate this superfood into their diets. Whether raw, cooked, or as part of flavorful recipes, the goal is to provide accessible and enjoyable options for individuals looking to harness the benefits of garlic for their kidney health. Turmeric is a superfood with the potential to reduce creatinine levels and positively impact kidney function. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which have been linked to a range of health benefits, including supporting kidney health. Curcumin in turmeric may help mitigate inflammation and oxidative stress, factors that play a role in maintaining optimal kidney function. The various ways to incorporate turmeric into their diets, whether through cooking or by preparing beverages such as turmeric tea. Benefits of turmeric and curcumin for kidney health. By offering suggestions for easy and enjoyable consumption, incorporating turmeric into their meals, contributing to the overall diversity and richness of a kidney-friendly diet. Berries. Impact of berries on reducing creatinine levels and fostering kidney health. Berries, including blueberries and strawberries, are renowned for their antioxidant properties, which can aid in neutralizing harmful free radicals and reducing inflammation, factors crucial in maintaining optimal kidney function. We'll elaborate on the specific compounds found in berries, such as anthocyanins and vitamin C, and how they contribute to the overall health of the kidneys. The discussion will not only focus on the potential benefits, but also provide guidance on selecting the right types of berries and incorporating them into daily dietary habits. Include berries in meals and snacks, ensuring that viewers can seamlessly integrate these superfoods into their diets. The positive impact of berries on kidney health, reinforcing the idea that making simple and delicious dietary choices can contribute to the well-being of their kidneys. Tips for incorporating superfoods. Practical tips for seamlessly integrating the highlighted superfoods into their daily routines to promote kidney health. This section will encompass general dietary guidelines designed to complement the consumption of the identified superfoods. Emphasis will be placed on maintaining a balanced diet that caters to individual nutritional needs, ensuring viewers understand the importance of a holistic approach to kidney well-being. Furthermore, the video will stress the significance of staying hydrated, as proper hydration is crucial for kidney function. Viewers will be reminded to incorporate these superfoods as part of a broader, healthy lifestyle, encompassing regular physical activity and other habits that contribute to overall wellness. By offering actionable advice and emphasizing the synergy between these superfoods and a well-rounded lifestyle, this section aims to equip viewers with a comprehensive understanding of how small, consistent changes can make a significant impact on kidney function. The video will conclude with a call to action, encouraging viewers to prioritize their kidney health and adopt these practical tips for long-term well-being.